following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for East Central Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 11:45 p.m. At 9:45 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Hazard: flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: rapid onset flooding of creeks, streams, drainage ditches, streets, underpasses, low-lying areas, and other poor drainage areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Chicago, Cicero, West Town, Bridgeport, South Lawndale, Chicago Loop, Austin, Navy Pier, Northerly Island, near West Side, near North Side, Humboldt Park, Brighton Park, East Garfield Park, Lower West Side, North Lawndale, near South Side, Douglas, West Garfield Park, and McKinley Park. A flash flood warning means rapid onset flooding is imminent or may already be occurring. Persons along creeks, drainage ditches, and other waterways should take immediate precautions to protect life and property.